Hello YouTube. This here is a Kawasaki Ninja 2002 250R, and it's my project bike. I recently put in a new motor and left the old carburetor in, ran it for about 10 miles, and put a new carburetor in, and now it won't start. This here is the problem. I can't get it to crank all the way over, all the way. So if you could be able to help me out, YouTube, thanks. Here's the dash. Everything works. Don't need to show you. I hooked the motor up right. Again, I ran it for 10 miles just to get the motor, see how it feels. I was kind of excited. So chokes all the way on. You can't really see that, but oh well. Chokes all the way on, and this is what it sounds like without the choke, so you can have an understanding of what I'm talking about. All right, let's just listen for a second. You'll hear the just the battery trying to do all the work, trying to start it. Exactly, Then this is what the choke sounds like. It cranks over halfway, but then it doesn't go all the way. So here it is. Okay. The thing is, it cranks over like how you just heard, but once I let go of the starter, it dies. So this is my problem. I tried to engage the throttle, see if that would work, but with the choke on as well. So this is what it sounds like with me engaging the throttle. It just, it cuts off, So if you could be able to help me out, YouTube. Here's a Kawasaki Ninja 2002 250R, brand new motor, brand new carburetor. I thought it was my battery. I went to go buy a brand new battery, and that shit's still not working. So I just been killing the battery, just trying to get this shit to crank over, And I try to go the old school way, pushing the bike down the street with the clutch on, first gear, and trying to start it that way, and it's still. I almost got it, but I'm not that really fast when I'm doing it by myself. So if you guys can be able to help me out, thanks.